Good morning students. Today we will discuss about the rules for electron configuration. Question arises, what is electronic configuration? What is this statement? In your lower class, in your 9th and 10th, you will discuss electronic configuration as number of electron in the shell. We have shells, K shell, L shell, M shell, and O, P, and Q, R. But you learn up to 4, 2, 8, 18, 32. 2, 8, 18, 32. This is the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration is arrangement of electron in an atom, a particular shell. Arrangement of electron in an atom in particular shell. Let us, we have some rules to write the electronic configuration according to orbital. From our previous lecture, we will learn S do not have any value of M. For S orbital, M is 0, means S have only one value. One value of M, magnetic quantum number, occupy 2 electrons. That means S orbital maximum occupy 2 electrons. Beta for P orbital, M is -1, 0, +1. That means 3 values. One value occupy 2 electrons, then 3 value occupy 6 electrons. P orbital occupy maximum 6 electrons, not more than 6, only 6. D orbital have value of magnetic quantum number is -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. That means 5 values. 5 multiplied by 2, 10 electrons. And for F orbital, value of magnetic quantum number is -3, -2, -1, 0, +1, +2 and +3. How many values are there? 7 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Electrons are double, that is 14 electrons. To write the electronic configuration of any element, you must remember that S orbital have maximum 2 electrons, P orbital have 6 electrons, D orbital have 10 electrons and F orbital have 14 electrons. Beta, in case of S orbital, maximum number of electron is 2, but maybe 1. If atom have 1 electron, then 1 will be occupying S orbital. P orbital have 6 electrons, but less than 6 also, but not more than 6. Same for D orbital, maximum is 10, less than 10 is possible. And for F orbital, maximum is 14, less than 14 is available, but not more than 14. First concept is this one. And another concept, to fill the electrons in each orbital or each shell of the atom is occupying first rule. That rule is known as Above principle. That rule is known as Above principle. This is also known as energy rule. According to this, electron first enter into lower energy shell or lower energy orbital, then enter into higher energy orbital. The energy of orbitals can be calculated by using formula N plus L rule. We will calculate energy on this basis. Above principle, according to above principle, electron first enter into lower energy shell, then higher, higher and higher. Energy of each orbital will be calculated by using this formula. Beta, at present time, we know 1s. We learn in shape of S orbital. For S orbital, n may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so many. But 1p is not possible because 1 p, n is equal to 1, l is equal to 1, not possible, दोनों वैल्यू बराबर नहीं हो सकते, 1p is not possible, 2s 2p, 3s 3p, 3d also, later 4s 4p, 4d, 4f, 5s 5p, 5d, 5f, maybe 5z will be discovered in future, but now known at present time, so we can't use. We use only those orbitals which are known at modern era or in present time. 1s we know, 2s 2p, 3s 3p 3d, 4s 4p 4d 4f, 5s 5p 5d 5f, 6s 6p 6d, let us 7s 7p. In our periodic table only 7 periods are there, means we know only 7 shells, and 7 orbital, 7 shell consist of electrons in s orbital as well as in p orbital. These orbitals are known at present time. 5z, 6g, 6h may be possible in our future time but not present today. In this case, electrons enter first into lower energy shell. So how will you calculate energy? Energy will be calculated by using n plus l rule for 1s orbital. N is 1, l is 0. Answer is 1. For 2s orbital, n is 2, l is 0. Answer is 2. Which one is lower? This one is lower. So electron first enter into 1s orbital. S orbital maximum consists of 2 electron, not more than 2. So if any atom have more than 2 electron, remaining electron will enter into higher energy shell. This higher energy shell is 2s, later 2p, 3s. A question arises for 2p and 3s. Later n is 2, l is 1 for p orbital. Answer is 3. n is 3 for s orbital, l is 0. Answer is 3. We will say energy of both will remain same. In which shell electron first enter?